감사합니다, 고마워. If you say these two things, Koreans will like you. But be sure to understand the difference between the two. Hi, 안녕하세요, my friends all around the world. What do Koreans like to hear the most when foreigners say? Maybe each one you say thank you. What I felt while traveling over 40 countries around the world is that Koreans are very polite, but a little stingy to express our gratitude. In Korean society, people who are older or in the higher position than you tend not to say thank you even though they would appreciate you in their mind. That's why Koreans feel special when someone says thank you and like the person who said that. I wish you to be that person using the expressions you learned today. There are many expressions of gratitude in Korean, but today I will tell you the 3 most commonly used ones. If you are a traveler who visits Korea just for a while, it's okay to memorize only one expression. I will let you know soon. First of all, the most basic expression is 고마워. It has the similar usage as thanks in English, and it's the most casual expression out of the 3. It's used mostly for close friends or who are younger than you. Don't use it on the person you meet first time, someone older than you, and your boss. 고마워. 고마워. And the other 2 expressions are honorifics. 고마워요. All you have to do is putting 요 at the end of 고마워 you just learned. I'm sure someone with a good sense has already noticed. That's right. This is relatively casual expression of honorifics. You can use this expression to someone you already know, but not much close, or the people older than you. 감사합니다. This expression is more formal than 고마워요. If you're traveling to Korea for a while, always use this expression, then you won't be rude to any other one. It can be used for first-time people, older people than you, and your boss. If you bend down to your waist when you say 감사합니다, then it's perfect. 고마워요. 감사합니다. In English, when someone says thank you, then you answer, you're welcome, not at all, no problem, and so on, right? In Korean, we say 아니야 and 아니에요. If you translate it directly, it's no in English. You can understand like, no, you don't have to say thank you. 아니야 is a casual expression, and 아니에요 is an honorific expression. Use it like this. 고마워. 아니야. 감사합니다. 아니에요. Last but not least, I want to tell you this. Sometimes Korean textbooks teach you to say 대단히 감사합니다 for thank you very much and 천만에요 for you're welcome. Really? No, it's very old school textbook. My great-grandfather may have used it, but no one uses it in real life in 2020. You can just say 아니에요 for you're welcome, and it's much more natural to say 정말 감사합니다 instead of 대단히 감사합니다. Okay, then say 감사합니다 and be loved by Koreans. If you have any questions about Korean, please leave a question in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to HiKorea channel and hit the bell and like buttons. See you in the next video. 안녕.